Yo, what's up, guys? Shrek Boy here. What is happening to my backpack? Today we are doing a Monkey Got Talent with Sophia and Ridge. You're probably wondering why Sophia doesn't have any, like,
clothes on.
Yeah.
Or hats.
It's because, she had to restart her VR because it wouldn't let her play Gorilla Tag at all. So now we can do Gorilla Tag!
What in the
And
world?
by the way, I am Billy.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, Dandelion Diary.
Yeah, we're the Blue Army.
Yeah, we're the Blue Army today.
So I'll explain the rules. So this, if the person doing the talent is done, and you run up to them and hit them once with it, that means you liked it. But if you run up and punch them with those, that means you hated it.
Well, you didn't hate it, but it's not like the best talent yet.
Yeah. Okay, so mine is gonna go on the left.
It's middle. Mine is middle.
Yeah, who's gonna go first?
Not me.
Okay, I can. Oh, Ridge can.
Okay, I'll be right here.
If you're sitting over here, hold. Like, put them on your back. And make sure Ridge's
I'll go right here.
disappear.
I'll go right here, Ryan.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, my name is Ridge and this is my talent.
What else can you do with it? Other than flying?
I'll
can
show
become
you.
No, don't give it away. It's
I know,
his talent, buddy.
I don't know what he's gonna do.
And I have something cool to show you.
I'm scared. Oh my.
Pickaxe.
Amethyst pickaxe.
That's pretty cool. But what's your talent?
My talent is...
I hate this! I hate it! This talent show should not allow murdering people!
How about you make sure this doesn't disappear by grabbing it a bunch?
Why me?
Wait, let's vote.
Okay, no, Rich, go
I
up
actually
there,
kind of
so.
like this, so rainbow.
You know what? Other than trying to kill people, it was good, so.
Okay, Ridge, put your backpack on your back. Make sure, Sophia, make sure my bag does not disappear.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep like grabbing it.
There's only one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll be right back. I'm just going to eat my cookie real quick.
Right.
I'm sorry if
Don't be too long.
Hey, cut the video, please. I'm going to eat my cookie. Sorry.
Actually, we can continue it. It's fine. Okay,
Yeah.
I got my talent ready.
Wait.
Can we hold on to talents real quick? Pause, break time.
Actually, I don't want this light because it blinds you like this. Like, I have your house key. I have your house key. I'm going to your house. I'm opening your head. I just banned him. This is the moderator key.
Why did Rich not take his backpack?
I don't know.
Ryan, can you just like wear your backpack for now?
I'm just gonna hold it. Hold his.
Hold
also.
Ridge's. Don't give your talent away. Go hide in the
That's
locker
not my
room.
talent, though.
Ryan, how about if you have a talent that you want to keep a secret, go in there.
I'm just
But
gonna.
if you don't have anything right now, then you can just come out here. I can barely run in this.
In your Nikes?
No, with this. Look.
Yeah, it's heavy. Don't look at my back. What was that?
I hit the fan.
Oh. Don't look at my back. That gives away the whole talent.
Okay, I'll go out here. Is Ridge almost done, bro? Also, did you see we were playing with Ridge also?
Yeah. I'm just gonna...
Why are you behind me? Just go backstage already, bro. I'm excited to do mine.
I farted! I farted.
Wait, what?
Excuse me.
Oh, I thought you said you farted. I'm like, I did not fart.
Hiya! This is a heavy backpack and you can only throw it that far.
Whoa.
Don't look at
Ridge,
my...
your backpack's over here.
Yeah.
Ridge, here's your backpack.
This was weird.
Ryan's
as
going
soon as I
next.
joined, like it teleported me to the room, to this room instantly.
Okay, guys.
Ridge, just wear your backpack.
So my talent is going to be something funny. I am God.
Ah!
I am the honored one.
Are you sure, buddy?
Yes.
You look so fat in that. What is happening? Ah! Don't kill.
I woke up
Oh my
in a
God.
new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Ridge, we have to stay over here. Ridge, we have to stay over here.
Okay. Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What
I
a
don't
question.
like
That's
you.
a question. My headset battery's low, guys. We have to hurry up.
Okay, that was my talent.
Okay, I'm gonna vote. What are you gonna vote?
Ah! I'm rainbow
turn.
now. Ah! I'm green.
My turn, guys. It's my turn.
Yeah. Let me put this back.
Like, where's
Okay,
my
wait.
Hulk fist?
Right there.
I need to get something.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Bro,
I
don't
woke
go
up in a new Bugatti.
I woke up with my mom
Can someone
sticking
buy
inside
me?
my
Can
face.
someone buy me something?
What is it?
A rocket. 2 of them. Can you put one backstage for me?
I'm doing all the work. I'm gonna use it.
Oh, you have one. Thank you. Everyone, get out!
I know what she's gonna do, but I'm not gonna say it.
Hello, guys. My name is Sophia, and I have 2 talents. Number 1, I can make myself rainbow. Make myself rainbow! Never mind, I can make you guys rainbow.
I don't want to be rainbow.
Womp womp, you're rainbow. That's cool. Now I have another talent.
You can fly.
Yes, she's gonna try jump scaring us.
I have a poem to read you guys. Roses are red, I silent as a mouse. Your door is unlocked, I'm in your house.
Actually, roses are red, violets are blue. I think someone that I've met before looks like from the zoo. Maybe it's you, because you probably look ugly. And if it doesn't care, then it
Wait,
Be
doesn't.
nice.
Rich,
Okay,
it's
I'm
your
sorry.
turn.
Okay.
No, you have to vote. No.
Oh,
Reggie.
yeah.
No, I wasn't saying be nice to. I was just saying be nice for the bears. Hey, don't punch me because I'm your sister. What? This isn't fair. I gave you guys rainbow, and you guys are. That's it. Bye, guys. Bye. The only reason you guys aren't voting for me good because I don't buy anything because I'm broke. Yeah. I only have 32 what is it?
Cash?
Yeah.
Nuts.
Yeah, nuts. I only have 32 nuts, 5 gold, and I'm broke, okay? I don't have a lot of items, so that's the reason why I don't have that good talent. I just said a poem. Me and my friend made up.
Okay, Ridge's turn.
Okay.
Let me get my stuff.
Hold on. My name. Hold on. I gotta get something.
Hey, that's mine.
Wait, Ridge, remember,
What?
put your backpack on the couch thing. Get out of my spot.
I said I wanted this spot.
You go in the middle.
Whatever.
Time bomb.
Hey, don't use it. Hold on.
And then it explodes.
My name is Ridge. And I have 2 talents. One is this big
Copycat.
heavy backpack. And then second is this rare time bomb.
Oh, that's it? That's the only talent?
It's also color changing.
That's not a talent, though. That's just showing off his cool stuff.
Hey, stop! You can't hit me. Okay, yep, I need to go.
To be fair, you guys did that to me, too. So,
Wait, okay. Time to put it in my chair.
where's my, oh, it's back. The one back, bro.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get my stuff.
Hey, that's mine.
You guys know what I'm gonna do.
Welcome to the Vietnam War. I'm the Vietnam War person. I am the president of Vietnam War. And I'm gonna end this war in 200 years. With Germany
Ridge, go up there. Go up there.
in the Soviet
No, Ridge.
Union. Okay.
Go up there.
I'm sorry. Like, okay.
Hi guys, I'm an iPad kid. I never ate vegetables in my life.
Touch grass!
I touched the grass before in a video game. What do you do?
In a video game? Touch grass in real life! What is that?
Hello?
I have my answer. I have my answer
Little
ready.
Timmy! Little Timmy!
Dun 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 dun.
Here's your iPad. You need your iPad so bad.
I'm gonna
Those are the
touch
iPad
grass.
This isn't a video game, buddy. This is different. Here. Let me hit you. Run!
You're imagining things! I am not giant! I'm just a little ghost and I love to play. La 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 ghost and I love to play. I'm a little ghost and I love to play. La 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 la. I am dying.
Guys,
Ready to do my
talent.
Rate my talent.
I was gonna. Here. Okay, my turn. My turn.
Oh. Oh, my iPad. I'm gonna get some food, guys.
Okay.
I'm ready for my talent.
Wait, let me eat some
Are
broccoli.
you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's your backpack?
On me.
Why did you take it?
Because I need it.
Oh. I'm gonna eat my veggies.
Hey, go back over there!
Okay, sorry.
Hi guys! My name is Little Timmy! I need to tell you guys something! I am the inventor of Skibbity Toilet!
Is this okay, little Terry?
I am Billy!
I'm 5 years old and I made Skibbity Toilet videos! I am Timmy! I am Timmy!
Butt slam! I
No,
love to.
guys, I still have more talent. Go.
Okay.
I'll give you my last talent, okay? I will say 2 things into the mic, and I need everyone on the stairs. Ready? My first talent is singing the Skibbity Toilet song. Skibbity! Okay, that's it. Mama! My next talent is... Wait, what was I talent? What is my talent?
Yeah, talent. Wait, I thought you were going to say I am Skibbity Toilet.
Mama! Actually, did you know that Skibbity Toilet are
Dada.
actually people that got shoved in a toilet and they became Skibbity Toilets? Oh my gosh! That is so cool, guys! I'm stuck in the
going to
mic.
kill you.
Okay, there we go. I'm good. I'm Little Timmy! Little Timmy! Loves to eat Skibbity Toilets! Oh, my PR died.
I didn't even kill her and I got red watch. I know.
Weird.
Bye, guys.
They didn't even hear.
I heard you.
I love food.
Hey, by the way. Hey, can I do one more talent? Then we'll end the talent.
Yeah, and then we can or do you want to just play around?
One more talent, then we can play around.
Wait, is it my turn? Yeah, it's my turn. Wait,
No,
No, it's your
gonna be
turn.
my turn.
I'm gonna eat stuff so I'm not red watch. Becoming Little Timmy. I can fit inside of this bag. I'm fitting inside of a bag.
Oh my god. Hey. Hi.
Hi.
Last talent is me. Hello, my name is Little Jimmy. I am from USAA. I am from the Soviet Union. And I'm gonna do something massive. It's not the low taper fade, yeah. I'm gonna show you what it is. I have low taper fade on my back. This is the low taper fade on my back.
That meme is
Taper
old.
fade is on my back.
Hey!
I will revive you.
What do you mean you override?
Low taper fit.
Low taper fade, yeah.
I'm gonna get some Sprite. Hey,
I can
little
have some
Timmy, do you
Sprite.
wanna have some food and what? Like some Sprite? I can
Yes,
cook you
yes.
it. Go over there.
Wait, make me small.
Well, it's only a limited time, so
Wait, it's limited time?
yeah, only like for a minute. You're small. Okay, go over there, little Timmy.
Okay.
Billy's gonna make you some food.
Okay. Where's my iPad? Me one
I'll give you
iPad.
iPad. I'll give you iPad.
iPad. iPad. Yay, me want Roblox. Me want Robux. Okay, I'm gonna pour some Robux. Yay, I'm winning. I'm winning. Yay. YouTube. I'm gonna watch my favorite YouTuber, Gaming and Curly.
Okay, I need to put this egg in the oven.
Gaming Curly. Today we are going to be making music videos. Let's go. Yay. It is so Gaming Curly. Oh my god. I'm doing a tag with in public service. OMG, it's Gaming Curly. God, look, it's J-Man. J-Man, Mr. Gaming Curly. OMG, he's so good. Okay, I'm done watching it. Okay, now. Ball start. And then I'm gonna play.
Okay,
Jumpy
Little
Dash.
Timmy. I got your favorite sour candy. And
Sour
chocolate
pa-
and Sprite.
I'm gonna eat this first.
And I got your favorite food, cheese.
I don't like this at all. I do like Sour Patch Kids.
Oh no,
Okay,
what's gonna happen if you eat it all? Don't eat the whole entire black stick thing.
Okay, I won't. I'm gonna eat this. Wait,
I'm
how
gonna
do I
have some of it
activate
also.
it? How do I activate it?
Frying pan.
That's so good.
Oh no, you're Sour Patch Kid.
Because what was that? I want Sour Patch Kid. It's so good. Low Timmy be like, me want Sour Patchy. Me want Sour Patchy.
Wait, don't grab these, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Ah!
Hey, you're going to explode. You're gonna have massive diarrhea.
I'm a little
Little
ghost
bug.
and I love to play. La 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 la. I'm a little ghost and I love to play. Let's go to space.
Belly.
Oh, there's broccoli. Ah!
Belly, what are you going? Where are we going?
We're going to space.
My headset battery's low. Oh my god. I can't wait to
We're crashing.
What?
We crashed. Why am I glowing? What are you doing? Oh, there you are. I'm gonna go in my baby mobile. I'm going in my baby mobile.
Hey, can I go in that?
Time to go in the baby mobiles. Look, I'm going in the baby mobile. I'm going in the baby mobile. Whee! This is the baby mobile.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. No.
I'm in the baby mobile. Here I come. Baby mobile.
Wee, I can fly. Yay, this is so cool.
Ah! Ah! Glitched into the ground. What did I just see? Guys, I have an idea. I'm gonna snipe him.
Why is it driving on its own
I don't know.
when the wheels are not moving?
Time to no-scope you. Put your hands up. I'm the police.
Oh no!
You robbed a bank.
Bro, I did not.
Time to run over a car.
I'm going back.
Why can I not kill myself? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hello, I'm going back
My
to
stink
space.
trail. What happened to that car? Ooh.
Hello? Oh,
Boy.
Wait.
I'm gonna no-scope him in the face. Where are you, Johnny?
hey, wanna go there? Baba, wanna go back?
Yeah,
Wanna go
let's
back?
go to a green screen so the green screen kids can green screen the green screen so they can get more views than a green screen kid can green screen. Did that make sense? This is the Egg Eater 3000. It feeds you eggs. Oh, I failed it. Here, I'll put you back in your body. CPR! CPR! CPR!
Ooh.
I'm on the moon. Me on moon.
I'm
Me on
gonna
the
eat
moon.
this. Brother, I'm gonna eat this. Oh!
Hey, eat.
I don't feel
You need
so
to-
good.
I'll say
Here I
you. I felt like you.
I don't feel
Whoa.
so good. Whoa.
What, man is orange. Wait, so does that mean
I don't feel so good. Whoa. I don't feel so good. Whoa. POV cave divers be like, whoosh. 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 I cave dived. Do you want to cave dive with me? Let's go to the back rooms. Whoa, brother. I'm getting pulled to the back rooms. Ah! I'm getting pulled to the back rooms. My battery's low. Like super low. Ah! I'm Superman. I died. What? Where are you? What the heck?